Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine. Okay. Children, this is Mrs. Sujata Ratnakar, a teacher for your subject EVS. Children, now let's come lesson number 2. Lesson number 2. Topic is season. Lesson number 2. Video number 1 and topic is season. So, just before start the lesson, I would like to suggest, please open your book. Lesson number 2. Season, and be ready with your copy also. Okay, children, first of all I will ask you, just see out of the gate, just see out of the window. See children, आज मौसम कैसा है, ऐसे पूछते हैं ना, आज मौसम कैसा है, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, ओ आज बहुत गर्मी है, इट इज़ वेरी हॉट, इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड, इट इज़ वेरी रेनी ओनली. ओके, सिंस द मॉर्निंग इट इज़ रेनिंग ओनली, लाइक दैट वी आर टेलिंग, यस और नो. सो ये मौसम जो है ना बच्चा, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, वेदर. मौसम जो है उसको हम वेदर कहते हैं. सो व्हाट इज वेदर? सो वी हैव टू राइट दैट इन इंडेक्स फर्स्ट नंबर डेफिनेशन ऑफ वेदर. Definition of weather. What is weather? Before come to the point season, we have to know what is weather. Okay. So children, here I have written here weather. Weather is the condition of atmosphere around us. Now I told you children कि आज मौसम बहुत गर्मी लग रहा है, आज बहुत ठंडी लग रहा है. And your teacher also always asking you that how the weather is today, children. So yes ma'am, today it is very hot, it is very cold, yes or no, it is very cloudy, like that we have to, we are saying, yes or no, generally. So children, it is depend in atmosphere. Weather हम कैसे जानेंगे कि आज बहुत गर्मी लग रहा है, it is very hot today, cold today, cloudy. How do you know, how do you feel that? What is, first of all we read that weather is the condition of atmosphere. But what is atmosphere? What is atmosphere? Tell me children, between you and me, between this board and me, what is this? This empty place is covered with air. This empty place is covered with air, and this air is mixing with so many gases. Like we are taking oxygen, ऑक्सीजन ले रहे हैं, ब्रीथिंग कर रहे हैं, एंड ब्रीथ आउट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कर रहे हैं. डू यू नो प्रॉपर्ली? यस. सो व्हाट इज दिस एम्प्टी प्लेसेस? ओके, अभी हम हाथ को ऐसे करेंगे. सो आई वेट, यस और नो, आई टच द ब्लैक बोर्ड, बट बिटवीन दिस ब्लैक बोर्ड एंड मी, व्हाट इज दिस एम्प्टी प्लेसेस? इट इज कवर्ड विथ एयर ओनली. ओके, सो एंड दिस एयर इज मिक्सिंग, एयर इज द gases which is mixing with many gases. Means what children? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen, there are many gases are there which is mixing with the, and completely making the air. So weather is the condition of atmosphere. This air, what is the condition of air? That is only called atmosphere, means वायुमंडल. ठीक है, तो एक the factors means some factors are there which is directly depend of the weather, directly depending on the weather. जैसे आज मौसम बहुत गर्मी है, it is very hot. If I will ask you how is the today's weather, how is the weather of today children, so you have to tell the answer, madam today is very cloudy, today we feel very hot. How it is, how do you feel कि आज हमको बहुत गर्मी लग रहा है? हाँ, because of air only, yes or no? Because of atmosphere only. So if the atmosphere is hot, then we feel also hot, then the weather is hot. If the atmosphere is cloud surround us, okay, so we feel also cold. Yes, okay, so the weather is cold. Okay children, now clear about weather. Now come to the point of season. What is season? Now over definition of weather, now come to second point, definition of season. What is called season? से चिल्ड्रन, वेदर हम किसको बोलते हैं कि हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर में जो कंडीशन है, जैसे आज हमको गर्मी लगा, हॉट कोल्ड लगा, है ना, तो हमको जैसे हवा बहता है ना, विंड, जो विंड इज ब्लोइंग स्लोली, ओके, फास्टली, सो इट इज रनिंग, So we feel very hot, cold, yes or no, and raining also. So that is called weather. But what do we call the season? Season means what? ये जो वेदर है, ये वेदर बहुत दिन तक रहेगा. जैसे yesterday we feel very hot, okay, and today we feel very cloudy. Today the weather is very cloudy, okay. So like that, this weather, the same weather, it remains now almost same for many days. जब एक ही टाइप का वेदर कंडीशन बहुत दिनों तक रहेगा तो उसको हम सीजन बोलते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, कल हम बहुत ही गर्मी फील किए थे, हॉट फील. Yes or no? I asked you and you have given the answer. Madam, yesterday we felt very hot, okay, and today we are feeling very cloudy, okay. So what is this? This hot season, okay, means the weather of this hot time. If it will take so many days, it will remain more time and same over a period of time. That only called the season. When the weather remains almost same over a period of time, एक पीरियड के लिए वो रहता है. जैसे हॉट सीजन हम बोलते हैं कि समर सीजन, जब हमको वी आर गोइंग इन हॉलीडे, यस और नो, वी आर means we are getting holidays from the school also, which we call summer vacation, okay. So what is this children? Summer vacation, summer season, and always we used to tell that there are 4 season, 5 season, summer season, spring season, winter season, okay. So that only the weather is the condition of atmosphere around us, that is called weather. But when the weather remains almost same over a period of time, that is only called season. वेदर अगर एक ही तरफ ज़्यादा दिन तक अगर रहता है तो वो किसको वो बोला जाता है? सीजन, ओके. सो देर आर 4 सीजन इन इंडिया. मेनली देर आर 4 सीजन्स. सो व्हाट आर दे? समर सीजन, विंटर सीजन. Now let's come to the point types of season. Then we will read about the types of season: summer season, winter season, rainy season, and spring season. So children, now again I will tell you that definition of weather means weather is a condition of atmosphere around us, okay. Now when the weather remains almost same over a period of time, बहुत दिनों तक एक ही वेदर जब चलते रहता है, ओके, कंटिन्यू, तब हम उसको सीजन बोलते हैं. जैसे बहुत दिन तक हमको गर्मी नहीं लगता है, बीच में कभी ठंड नहीं लगता है, ओके, वी नेवर फील कोल्ड. So that time we call that summer season, okay. Like that winter season also. In winter season we feel very cold only, and that is for not for 1 day or 2 days, that is will become for many days, okay, it will continue. So that is we call winter season, okay. Like that spring season also, rainy season also. In rainy days, in rainy season it is raining so much, yes or no, day by day, so many days. So it is rainy season. So children, next period we will read briefly about the 4 types of season. Now let your homework, what is called weather, okay, and what is called season. What is called weather and season means definition of weather and season only. You by heart properly, and first you write the heading, lesson number 2, season, topic, after index. In first page you have to put the index and the points, okay. After that, number 1, definition of weather, okay. You highlight that and write the definition of weather. Go through the book, follow the book. In your book only it is there properly. First you by heart that and write without seeing the book. What is called weather and what is called season. These 2 definition you have to write in your copy. Thank you. नहीं, थोड़ा देर को इसको ना एडिट करेंगे.